Today on Small Business Sunday, we're going to be talking about batch shooting your videos to save you time and save you money. What's up, everybody? My name is Jason Osterkamp from Night Owls Media and For Love Films, and today on Small Business Sunday, we're going to be talking about how you can save time, money, and create a crap load of content for your brand. Now, when I talk to a client, one of the things they always say is they don't have enough time. They have too much stuff going on, and that's why they want to hire me to create something beautiful for them, for their company, for their brand, for their social media. But sometimes corporate clients can't afford our services, and that's totally okay. And that's why I can come in as a consultant and walk you through how you can do things on a budget, on your own, but doing them right. And on that note, today we're going to be talking about something that will save you time, money, and your sanity. Batch shooting. By batch shooting, I mean taking a day out of your schedule and recording a bunch of videos at one time and editing them later so you can release content over time. So you're not stressed that every Sunday you have to create a new video when in fact, today might not be Sunday. Was that too much? That was too much. Now, batch shooting doesn't necessarily mean that you have to do the shooting. We, as the video production company, can do batch shooting as well. For example, if you have an idea for one social media video, why not sit down with us, come up with a list of 8 to 10 different ideas. We come in, we spend a little more time than we were originally for that one video, and then we spend a little more time in the editing room, and you're getting 10 videos probably around the price of 3 when everything's broken down to it. For example, when I got to sit down with Kubo Sushi in Elgin, Illinois, I met with the owner, Chris, and they wanted to make a minute-long promo video. I proposed the idea of adding an extra hour of filming in there so that we could create a little bit more in post-production. On top of the main promo, we also did another promo to showcase the very fancy upscale cocktails that are made there. Another social media video showing the employees and how badass they are. A whole video just based on the main chef of the sushi restaurant. And with the extra time we were in there getting all the cool product shots, we not only had enough footage for all the promos we were designing, but we also had more than enough footage to release short videos that they can release on social media week by week to keep people interested in their brand. The most expensive part about most video production is the actual production costs. The editing time is dramatically decreased if I have everything at one lump time. Going into a business, bringing a director of photography, bringing in grips, bringing in a sound recordist, actors, makeup, everything else you need to do a commercial for your business is going to be very costly. So if we could do that all in one day and shoot 8 different mini topics, not only will you get your vision, your commercial that you wanted, but also then you get some social media content to come out over time. So by coming in for one physical day of shooting, we still have enough to make 5, 6, 10 different videos out of it from that one day. Now that's from a production side. What about you? You can set up a camera, set up some lighting, set up some audio, and batch shoot your week. Let's say every Tuesday you want to release a new video for your business. Take one afternoon, script out every idea that you want to go over with your clientele. Do you want to do an about me? Do you want to do, we're showcasing this one item this week. We're showcasing this one seller this week. We're showcasing this one employee. Here is a walkthrough of our establishment. Here is our safety precautions and how we're dealing with COVID in the current era. So once you have everything listed out, then you can film them all in one setting, in one location at one time, so you're not having to reset up your lighting, your audio, your camera every week. You can batch shoot them all at once and then put them to the side. Then you come back and edit them all, and by editing them all at one time, you're going to be in the mindset of editing and the kind of look and feel that you want for your brand. So then you have them all edited, exported, and then you release them to YouTube or your social media platform as you wish. whenever you want. So in my advice, you should always have 4 to 6 videos ready to go, just because you're a business. You're dealing with a lot of other things, including selling, including doing service for someone else. Sometimes that takes precedence to making a video, but social media platform content is extremely important. So having that backlog is going to save your butt. Also, make sure you're batch shooting your thumbnails. Sometimes the look and the feel of a certain video that you're actually doing isn't gonna have that nice thumbnail, and a thumbnail is gonna be the first thing someone sees, so they're gonna click on that before they read any description. So make sure you have a very interesting thumbnail with some facial expressions and something outgoing, like a really catchy title that's gonna summarize what you're talking about in big font so they can read it. Most people looking on YouTube are looking on their phone, and that means they're looking at a very small screen. So you need to make sure that that is readable. Also, use a font that is nice and simple. I highly suggest not using script. Use something nice, clean, and easy to read. For example, I took 5 minutes out of my day and videoed myself posing, goofy and fun, and trying to do all different kinds of facial features to batch shoot all of my vlogs for the next couple months. My advice when you're doing your thumbnails, try to have some kind of expression on your face. There are statistics that say people will click first on an emotion-filled face before they click on something like this. This one's more fun, isn't it? Now, an important thing to keep in mind is to bring a change of clothes with you so that you can change your clothes between each video. Kind of like this. I feel like I'm missing something. That's better. Hey. Much better, but not quite right. Man, every time. There we go. As a business owner, your time is money. No matter what you do, no matter what you sell, your time equals money. So the more you can use that time efficiently, the more money you're gonna save, and the better production you're going to put on for your clientele. The more videos you have, the more information you can give them. And let's face it, we are living in a social media society. We need constant visual engagement. Guys, thank you so much for joining me on this Small Business Sunday video. I really hope you took something away from this to better your business. Throughout this series, we're going to be helping you understand how video can be a pivotal, a very important part of your business, and mostly why that video is going to be important for you. Now, if you would like any video production, we would love to talk to you about how we can help you create a video that not only you'll love, but your clients will love as well. We also offer hourly, very affordable consulting where I can meet with you one-on-one, either in person or through online, and I can walk you through how to set up your lights and your audio and your video to give you the highest quality possible for you for your business. If you're liking this kind of content, please like, subscribe, and share. So make sure you are writing down in the comments about what you want to learn, like how are you using video for your business, or what do you think video can do for your business, or possibly why you're not using video yet, what's holding you back. Comment down below in the comments. I would love to read them, and I will answer every comment I get. From social media marketing, what to look for in a video creator, or how to do these videos yourself, we here at Night Owls Media on Small Business Sunday want to help you grow your business. Be better, do something awesome today.